Good morning students, my name is Raviteja, IIT Chemistry faculty. In the last class, we started one chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Now I will say once again what I taught in the last class. In the last class I said about ions definition, examples and the classification of ions. Group of atoms or elements which behaves as single unit and they are having some particular identity in the chemical reaction and they behaves as a single unit, and one more thing, they exist independently, that is called ions. Ions is also known as radicals. They are classified into two types. What are they? Cations and anions. Which atom carries power positive, that is called cation. Which atom carries negative charge as power, that is called anion. This is called classification of ions. Today we are going to discuss about types of ions. We are going to discuss about types of ions. It means ions, we will see types, okay? Ions are of two types here. Simple ions, compound ions. First type, simple ions. Second type, compound ions. Now we will see simple ions means what? See definition. One or more atoms of same element. One or more atoms of same element. This one we will understand by seeing one example. See one time example. Ag power plus 2. Same element. Here only one element is there. Ag. But also same. One means same only, no? Next, S power minus 2. Here S also one element. O power minus 2. Here O also one element. What he is saying means, if you take that formula, it contains same type of element. Now you will see compound ions. Two or more atoms of different elements. It contains two or more atoms of different element to form single unit. Example, see SO4 power minus 2. SO4 power minus 2. S is sulfur, O here oxygen. Here S and O are different elements. They are different elements. It means it is satisfying the compound ion definition. Two or more atoms of different elements. Here SO4, S is one atom, O4 is there. It means oxygen, how many atoms are there? 4 are there. 1 plus 4, 5 atoms. In SO4 minus 2 we are having 5 atoms. It means nothing but 2 or more atoms. Here S and O are both are equal? No, they both are different atoms of different elements. So this is one we called as example of compound ion. Two or more atoms of different elements they can form as single unit, that is called compound ions. Example, SO4 minus 2. Next example, NO3 power minus 1. N is different, O is different. Correct? So this is called compound ion example. Now coming to the simple ions. Ag power plus 2, S power minus 2. It contains only one. That also same. That is called simple ions. These are simple ions example. These are compound ions example. One more thing I want to say. If negative charge is there as power, that one, which one we call as compound ion. Compound ion. Okay, ma? One more thing you know already. If electrons lost, what we call that one? Positive ion. If electrons gains means negative ion. Anion is also known as acidic ion. Anion is also known as acidic ion. Here power minus is there. That is a anion. That is a anion. If power positive is there means what we call? What we call them? Simple ion or cation. See here. Ag power plus 2 is there. Ag power plus 2 is there. Okay. Here plus means what? Positive. It means it is losing electrons. Plus is nothing but here losing electrons. Losing electrons what we called? Cation. Another name positive ion. Another name also I will say. Okay. Basic ion. What is the name? Basic ion or base ion. 3 names totally. Cation, positive ion, base ion, or we call a basic radical. Here negative charge is there. This is example of anion, negative ion, or anion, negative ion, or acid radical, This is about the types of ions, simple ions and compound ions. Let us see some common electropositive ions. Electropositive ions means which carries power positive, that is called electropositive ions. First example, they are differentiated into 4 types: monovalent, divalent, trivalent, and last one, 4th one, tetravalent. The ions are in this types. This classified into 4 types. So many types are there. We will see up to in the 7th class only 4 types: monovalent, divalent, trivalent, tetravalent. Monovalent means 1. See, monovalent. H power plus. After plus any number is there? Not there. Means 1. 1 means mono. Divalent. Power 2 is there. Power 2 is 2 means di. Divalent is also known as pi. Divalent is also known as bivalent. Understand? If power 2 is there, that is the example of divalent. If power 2 plus is there, that is example of divalent. Plus means positive. That is example of divalent electropositive ion or radical. If power 3 is there, that is a trivalent. If power 4 is there, that is a tetravalent. More than that we call as polyvalent also. So these are the some examples of common electropositive ions. Let us see some common electronegative ions. F power minus. After minus any number is there? Not there. Means 1. That is a monovalent. Cl power minus. Monovalent. NO2 power minus. If you observe here, F is there, Cl is there. Both are the Cl same element, this F also same element. These both come under example of simple ions. Here in NO2 power minus 1, N is different, O is different. So this comes under example of compound ions. What comes under example of compound ions. NO2 also having power minus 1. 1 means mono. 1 means mono. Main thing, the power 1 is there, or any number, or number not there also, that is called monovalent. If power negative also there means that is called electronegative monovalent. If power plus 1 means electropositive monovalent. Now we will see electronegative divalent. Another name of divalent is bivalent. CO3 power minus 2, divalent or bivalent. CrO4 power minus 2, divalent or bivalent. These two also come under example of compound ions. Why means they are contain different types of atoms in their formula. Now third one, n power 3 minus. N power 3 minus. That comes under example of simple ion. Why means contains only one type, that is nitrogen, N. So n power 3 minus is a trivalent negative ion. Why means it having power 3 and minus. Okay, ma? Thank you very much. Today we discussed about the types of ions. In that we also discussed about some common electropositive ions or radicals, and also some common electronegative ions and radicals.